Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix High on Life 2 game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or stuck on infinite loading, or stuck on black screen problem, or simply black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's jump to the solutions. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then check if a problem is solved or not. Solution 2 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to others and then go to restore license. Select High on Life 2 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then you can launch the game and check. Now if you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. Now in the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab, turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Solution 6 to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and see if that helps or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. And then you can go ahead launch High on Life 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up this saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to PS5 settings, save data and game/app settings. Select the save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Now select the High on Life 2 game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS servers. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Select your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose don't specify for DHCP hostname. Now in the DNS settings, choose manual and enter primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and for the proxy server choose do not use and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Save it and then try to launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the High on Life 2 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So by following these solutions, I hope you can easily solve High on Life 2 game crashes at startup, not launching, won't launch or launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.